Hello everybody and welcome back. In this video we're going to be focusing towards actually linking up the business logic of our chat page provider to our chat page in a way that we are now actually able to send some messages. So with that said, let's get into it and let's see how we're going to be doing it. So to get started, the first thing that we're going to do is that we are going to go to our send message button, and here we're going to be actually adding the logic for what needs to be done once we actually click on sending a message. So the first thing that I'd like to do inside of the onPress function call for our send message button is that I want to take the message form state and I want to take the current state and I want to validate that we do actually have valid inputs. Once we have this, I'm going to open it up and I'll say that what we're going to do is that we'll take the message form state.current state and we'll call the save function. So this is basically what we've been doing before as well. And once we've kind of saved it, the next thing that we're going to do is that we're going to use our page provider and then use the send text message function. So now if I do command save, and what I will do is that instead of just doing this, I'm going to go to the send text message button definition, and I'm going to tell you what's going to happen. So inside of our send text message button, we already know that we check for this underscore message variable, and that's the content that we sent. Inside of our chat page, we know that when we input something on the message text field and the save call is called on our actual form, then we are going to take the value that gets passed in the onSave function for our text form field, and this is going to be whatever we input. That's going to be set as the page provider.message variables value, and that is right here. Then when we call our send text message function, it's going to take that message and it's going to create a new chat message object. It's going to set the content to be whatever message was, and then it'll call the db add message to chat function, and then the message would be added to chat. And then we have all of the setup already in place for actually listening to a stream. As you can see here, listen to messages, and every time a new message is going to come, it's going to parse the messages, create a list, add the messages to messages, and then notify the listeners, and then we will re-render our UI. And with this, the next thing that I'm going to do is that I'm going to also make sure that once we have sent a message, that we remove the existing input inside of our input field. So for that, what we do is that we take our message form state.current state, and then we just call reset on it. That's pretty much all we have to do, and command save. So now with this logic defined, what I'm going to do is that I am going to go to another chat. So slide back and go to the group chat. And here I'm going to type in a message. And the message that I'm going to say is a response to the message that I got, hey. So I'm going to say, hey. And then I'm going to say, how's it going? And with this done, once I've added my message, I'm going to remove some stuff from the message, and then I'm going to click on the actual send message button. So if I do this, you're going to see that our message gets sent, it gets removed from here, and it's now being shown inside of our list view. If I go to my Firestore database and I go to the actual chat that we were actually chatting in, which was a group chat if you remember, we go to the messages list, you're going to see that a new message has appeared, which is called, hey, how's it going? Sent by us at this time, and then the type was text. So we can now confirm that the actual message of sending a text message is working. So with this, I'm going to end this video here, and I'll see you guys in the next video where we'll actually try to send an image message into the chat. So thank you for watching, and I'll catch you guys in the next video.